Well, on this Veterans Day, a World War II veteran from Springfield who was killed in action received some very special recognition in the neighborhood where he grew up. Harold Marney was 19 years old when he was killed aboard PT Boat 109 in 1943. It was commanded by John F. Kennedy. Of course, he would go on to become America's 35th president. East Springfield American Legion Post 420 was named in honor of Harold Marney. His nephew Dennis Harkins of Springfield told 22 News he's very proud.
You know, to have an American Legion or any organization named after a family member, of the circumstances of which are unfortunate, of course, but on the other hand, it gives some recognition to, you know, a local boy, a local veteran that lost his life serving our country.
American Legion Post 420 in Springfield will now forever be known as the Harold Marney American Legion Post in East Springfield.